It's finally here. I finally get to open it.
What's going on, everybody? This is Reese and welcome back to the channel. So this is my 5-minute Friday. Today we're going to be unboxing a Peter McKinnon limited edition Kraken V2 challenge coin. I had to wait on this for a little while. It arrived in town and then decided to go to Florida for a few days, so it showed up about 4 days late. This is something I've been anticipating for a while. Oh, that's pretty cool. The artwork on the inside of the main box. You open it and there's a sticker, skull sticker, that's pretty cool. And then an internal box. It slides open and then it looks like it's got a lift door to access the actual treasure chest. It's a well-made box, etched with a skull on top. No obvious means of opening it up. We were warned that it was going to be a puzzle box, and it definitely is. So just a little pushing and prodding, trying to see if I can find a way in. I'm sure I'll get it. It's just going to take me a couple of minutes to kind of figure it out. And 3 hours later, I finally figured out that the door actually slides to the side. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. I'll probably use the box for a few other things. So the first thing I see is the leather pouch. It is hand stitched, smooth leather, really well made. It is a protective sheath for the coin, although I probably won't use it a whole lot because I want it to get that tarnished patina. The coin itself has got a pretty good weight to it. Definitely a lot of detail. It's a solid coin. Doesn't seem to be anything cheaply made. I wouldn't expect anything else from Peter. So it's got the ship and the Kraken grabbing it on the back, and a rope inlay all the way around. So Peter McKinnon is a Canadian photographer. He also does videography, as well as he has his own side business, Pete's Pirate Life, which is where this coin and various others have come from. Fly the Flag, that's his hashtag. Definitely check him out. Even if you're not a photographer, he's entertaining, he's very informative. So as always, guys, I really appreciate you checking out the channel. I appreciate you spending your time with me. If you would, hit like on the down below and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it if you'd share this with anybody that might be interested to help me grow the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.
Go ahead and hit the like button and be sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can be updated anytime we have new content.